Your CRM isn't a tool. It's a graveyard for dead leads. Most of you are treating your CRM like a digital filing cabinet. You enter data, you move a card, you forget about it. But by 2026, that approach is dead. Stop treating your CRM as a place to store info and start treating it like an autonomous AI agent. I've spent the last few years auditing the sales stacks of seven-figure founders. The pattern is always the same. The owners who spend their time updating their CRM are the ones who stop growing asterisk. Today, we are killing the manual database. I'm showing you why the best CRM of 2026 isn't a place to store contacts. It's a system that qualifies, nurtures, and closes deals while you sleep. We're breaking down the AI-first tools dominating the landscape and the exact strategy to transition your business before your competitors do. Let's be honest, your CRM is a mess. It's not a tool, it's a digital filing cabinet where leads go to die. Think about it, how many hours a week do you, or your team, spend manually updating status bars? Moving a deal from negotiation to closed one, typing followed up via email into a notes field for the 10th time today. That's not sales, that's data entry, and data entry is a low-value activity. Here is the scary part. While you're playing secretary to your own software, your leads are cooling off. A lead that isn't touched for 48 hours is practically dead. But because your CRM is a manual burden, things slip through the cracks. You forget the follow-up, you miss the signal, you lose the deal. Most business owners treat their CRM like a history book, something they look at to see what happened in the past. But in 2026, that approach is a liability. If your CRM requires you to tell it what happened, you've already lost. The gap between having a database and having a system is where your profit is leaking. It's time to stop managing a database and start deploying an agent. So what's the alternative? Stop thinking of your CRM as a database. Stop treating it like a digital filing cabinet where leads go to die. Instead, start treating it as an autonomous AI agent. Welcome to the era of the AI-first CRM. In 2026, the best CRM isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that requires the least amount of your time. Let's break down the 3 pillars of the AI-first shift. First, autonomous data entry. Most founders spend 5 to 10 hours a week manually updating fields. That is a colossal waste of your cognitive load. In 2026, the best tools don't ask you for data, they find it. We're talking about systems that listen to your Zoom calls, summarize the client's pain points, and update the deal stage automatically. No more "I forgot to update the pipeline." The pipeline updates itself. Second, predictive intelligence. We've all had the lead graveyard. 500 contacts, no idea who to call first. AI-first CRMs solve this with predictive scoring. The system analyzes behavior, email opens, website visits, even social signals, and tells you exactly who is ready to buy right now. You stop guessing, you start closing. Now let's talk tools. Who is actually winning this race? If you're running an agency or a high-volume lead gen business, Go High Level is the powerhouse. They aren't just a CRM, they're an entire automation ecosystem. For those scaling toward the enterprise level, HubSpot and Salesforce are no longer just databases. They are integrating AI agents that essentially act as a virtual sales operations manager. And if you need a lean, high-velocity pipeline without the corporate bloat, Pipedrive is evolving to strip away every single manual click. Here is the hard truth. The gap between the manual founder and the AI-first founder is becoming a canyon. One is a data entry clerk, the other is a CEO. Stop managing your contacts, start automating the relationship,